Okay, page number 112. Tick the correct answers. First one, these rulers patronized Tamil. Which rulers? These rulers patronized Tamil. Eda? Eda correct answer? These rulers patronized the Tamil. Patronized Tamil. Cholas. Cholas. Yes, correct. Cholas. Chola rulers patronized Tamil. Cholas is the correct answer. Second one, Jayadeva composed dash. Jayadeva composed dash. Geetanjali, Govinda Geeta, Geeta Govinda, Geeta Mala. Jayadeva composed dash. Jayadeva composed Govinda Geeta. Jayadeva composed Govinda Geeta. Sorry, so Marikoito. Sorry, Marikoi. Jayadeva composed Geeta Govinda. Marikoidane Geeta Govinda. Jayadeva composed Geeta Govinda. Option C. Marikole Govinda Geeta Geeta Govinda. Then third one, Pamba, Dash and Rana are collectively called the three jewels of Kannada literature. Three jewels of Kannada literature. Which are the three jewels? Pamba, Rana and which one? Ponna. Ponna. Option B is correct. Pamba, Ponna and Rana are collectively called three jewels of the Kannada literature. Pamba, Ponna and Rana. Then fourth one, Abdul Hamid Lahori wrote the Pada Shahnama in dash. Abdul Hamid Lahori. Is that correct? Persian. Pada Shahnama in Persian. Then fifth one, dash introduced the element of perspective in Mughal painting. Dash introduced the element of perspective in Mughal painting. Jahangir. Jahangir introduced the element of perspective in Mughal painting. Anna. Correct alle Jahangir alle? Yes. Then sixth one, he patronized the Deccani style of painting. Who patronized Deccani style of painting? Deccani style of painting? Ibrahim Adil Shah II. Deccani style of painting, Ibrahim Adil Shah II. Okay. Then seventh one, Mian Tansen composed the famous dash. Mian Tansen composed the famous dash. Mian Tansen. Eda Raga Darbari. Raga Darbari. Option C. Raga Darbari. Mian Tansen composed Raga Darbari. Then eighth one, this Bhakti Saints composition gave further boost to Bengali. This Bhakti Saints composition gave a further boost to Bengali. Eighth one, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Island. Next one is your homework. Solve the following crossword. Next one is your homework. Next, see true or false. True or false. First one, the Mauryas introduced Persian in India. The Mauryas introduced Persian in India. True ആണോ false ആണോ? Yes, false. False. Mauryas introduced Persian in India. That is false. Second one, Urdu was formed by the fusion of Persian and Hindi. Urdu എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ ലാംഗ്വേജ് ഉണ്ടായത് പേർഷ്യൻ ആൻഡ് ഹിന്ദി എല്ലാം കൂടെ കൂടിച്ചേർന്നിട്ടാണ്. യെസ്, ട്രൂ. Urdu was formed by the fusion of Persian and Hindi. Then third one, bright colors and varied themes characterize Mughal painting. Bright colors and varied themes characterize Mughal paintings. True. Then fourth one, Krishna Radha themes were popular with the painters of both Rajasthani and Pahari schools. Krishna Radha themes were popular. അവർ രണ്ട് പോപ്പുലർ ആയിരുന്നു ഇവിടെ with the painters of both Rajasthani and Pahari schools. Yes, true. ശരിയാണ്. Then fifth one, Tansen popularized Kathak in the court of Aurangzeb. Tansen popularized Kathak ആണോ? Tansen കഥക്കിൽ പോപ്പുലർ ആണോ? അല്ല, false. Next, give one word answers for the following questions. Give one word answers for the following questions. Faith ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടോ? Faith. Yes, first one. Which rulers encouraged the development of Malayalam? Which rulers encouraged the development of Malayalam? Give one word for that question. Which one? Huh? എന്താ ഷോണേ? This is the correct answer. Yes, unmute and say.
Cheras.
Yes, Cheras. Cheras encouraged the development of Malayalam. Then second one, who wrote Katha Sarita Sagara? Who wrote Katha Sarita Sagara? Somadeva. Okay. Then third one, which style of painting did Raja Sansar Chand patronize? Which style of painting? Raja Sansar Chand എങ്ങനെയുള്ള style of painting ആണ്? Kangra or Pahari, le? Kangra or Pahari. Kangra or Pahari style of painting. Then fourth one, which Tughlaq ruler was a patron of music? Which Tughlaq ruler was a patron of music? ഏത് തുഗ്ലക് ruler ആണ്? ആരത്? ഫിറോസ് ഷാ തുഗ്ലക് അല്ലേ? ഫിറോസ് ഷാ തുഗ്ലക് was a patron of music. Okay. Finished. Then last one, fifth one. Under which ruling dynasty did Kathak become a form of entertainment? Under which ruling dynasty did Kathak become a form of entertainment? Which dynasty? Which ruling dynasty? Mughal. Mughal dynasty. Yes. Yes. Next, give short answers for the following questions. Give short answers for the following questions.